Being the moderator of this group, I have the privilege to talk first, and therefore I am, as directed by Ravi, I am misusing my authority. I hope you will pardon me for that, but I have been told to do that. So what I intend to do is to talk for about 15 minutes on a very exciting subject. And then after that, conduct this session. We have about 1.5 hours, so maybe 10, 12 minutes. We each can speak, and then in the last, invite questions from the audience. I have been working, I got a chance to work in the area of land records for last about 10, 11 years. And therefore thought that I should now talk about a project on which I have started working in last 1 year, and that is on the urban property records. And I thought it perhaps be exciting to the people here. We all know that property records are extremely important for any economy. Everybody has been talking about that old McKinsey report, which talks about 2%, 1.5% growth rate being stunted because of bad land records. However, there is a problem which is more accentuated and serious in urban areas. In rural areas, you have little land records, although they are not very, very good, but you have something. And thanks to an old scheme of Government of India called computerization of land records, you have moderately good land records in many states. And now a new scheme which I am sure most of you would have heard of, National Land Records Modernization Program, has brought sharp focus to the need of a reliable land records. So people are talking about it. If you go to most of the states, people, at least those who are concerned with land, are now talking about National Land Records Modernization Program. Vendors are of course excited because there is a money flowing in, so that excitement is bound to be there. However, what is very disturbing is that there is no property records system itself in urban areas, except in Maharashtra and Karnataka. And Karnataka has been lucky that Karnataka was part of Maharashtra, and the Bombay presidency brought the culture of urban property records in what they used to call a city survey. And perhaps at that time the Britishers realized that the city survey was important for a place like Bombay. And because Karnataka's large portion was part of Bombay presidency, we also have that system. And it is such a pathetic situation that whatever Britishers did, we even find it difficult to maintain. What about improving? It's such a pathetic situation in this country that we assemble here and kind of pat ourselves at the back, but are not able to do anything more than what they did for us and left. Problems is serious in urban areas because except Maharashtra and Karnataka, there is no framework for maintenance of the property records, urban property records. Now, this is extremely serious business. You have no framework. There is no legal framework to maintain property records. And that was natural for Britishers because there was nothing called urban city. So they were not really bothered. And of course, Bombay was there and they evolved that system there. And hence, there was no question of creation of urban records. So there is absolutely nothing, NOTHING, nothing. Whatever you see is municipality maintaining something. आप उसको चुनने दीजिए, वो चेंज कर देगा, भगवान जाने क्या लिख रहा है. It's left to the mercies of those people who decide in this country what they want to do. And the IAS officers obviously had 28 साल की उम्र में जब आदमी कलेक्टर बन जाता है, तो obviously he is a king, and kings are not supposed to work, so he doesn't work. Now, need of creation of ownership records. The problem in urban areas is that you need to create urban property records. And I think those who are sitting here, there are 40, 50 people, because those are the chairs Ravi Gupta had provided. But we should understand that I came here, normally not because of ego, but because of many other things. I don't perhaps have a little, short of time. so I find it difficult to attend conferences. But why I came here is to let you people know, and many of you will not know because you have not worked in this area. There's nothing exciting about not knowing it or knowing it, that there is no urban property record, and therefore we need to create records. And creation of a record is extremely difficult compared to digitization of existing record. Now, when you need to create an urban property record system, unlike just updating and computerizing of records in rural areas, would basically means going to the site. For example, in Bangalore, you have approximately 22 lakh properties. Now, 22 lakh properties would mean that you need to physically go to all those properties, locate them physically, their corners, and then survey each property physically, notwithstanding the rhetoric that everything can be seen from the top. I submit with humility that you have to go there and you have to physically measure these properties, because that's the way things work. लोग बोलते हैं ऊपर से देख लो, नीचे से देख लो, दाएं से देख लो, बाएं से देख लो, because they have to sell. And of course, those who are more smarter can sell, and those who are fools like us are supposed to buy, so we buy. And conducting, after you do the survey, the next thing is extremely important. How do you create inquiry? How do you do inquiry to find out who is the owner of this property? Just because he is sitting there? So how do you find? How do you do inquiry? And therefore, the urban property records becomes extremely difficult but highly desirable to do. And people have been talking about it now, thanks to JNURM. Some issues, 3-4 slides on issues. There's no existing legal framework, as I explained, and therefore there's no question of government staff. I mean, the states don't have staff because there was no legal framework. So there's no question of people knowing how to do, because there was nothing to do. And that becomes a more serious problem, that I don't have capacity to do because I never realized that I had to do a task. In states where such framework exists, and obviously this is only Karnataka and Maharashtra, they need to be augmented. They need to be augmented, because land records was a very kind of neglected subject. When I was posted to land record in 1998, in 2002-03, people used to come and say, oh yaar, kya aata hai? Anyway, don't worry, tere bhi kabhi din अच्छे आएंगे. I mean, I was also happy कि कहते हैं ना कि जैसे काला टीका लगा देते हैं बच्चे के शरीर पे तो बच्चे को नजर नहीं लगती, तो जब कौवे काँव काँव करते थे तो I used to say fine. I mean, they are feeling bad, that, or kind of at least telling me and thinking that I am crying, and therefore internally they are happy, and let them be happy. But the point is that conventionally, maintenance of land record system in this country is not seen very exciting. It's not seen as very exciting work, and therefore this work has never happened. I mean, it's important to know that in government, this is not a priority, and therefore citizens of this country suffer. They suffer because we decide that this work is not important. I don't know who gave us this mandate to decide what is important, what is not important for this country, but the 4,000 IAS officers decide that this is not exciting area. Public-private partnership is more exciting, the IT department is more exciting, and of course, energy and power and things like that are more exciting. And with the result that you have very bad or absence of urban property records. Recently, this JNURM program which has come up, and of course it has come up in very, very bona fide manner for good reasons, has created a lot of, there is anxiety that we should create property records very quickly. Everything has a time to happen. I mean, for example, a child gets born in 9 into 30, 270 days, and there's nothing you can do to produce a child in 27 days. Similarly, when you talk about such new systems, and that too with the expectations that will be there in the system, this will be there in the system, I, with my limited experience of 10, 12 years on this subject, really get nervous as to which direction we are getting to. And there are all type of experts who are talking about this subject, and it really makes me, worry a little that are we really चौबे जी गए थे छब्बे होने और दुबे होके लौटे, that we are trying to achieve something, and in the process, whatever we have if we end up spoiling it, what will happen? There is a state which I will not name, and I'm sure you know it, many of you, who created a new urban property record system ordinance with the help of so-called experts. There are enough experts in this country again. Everybody is an expert. So that expert created, and without any thinking, an ordinance was